the system's generally going to be over there. So what they're going to do is pick up all this stone off the roof. So they set up a crane, and they lift the hose up here and bring the vacuuming equipment up.
They vacuum it up?
So they'll be vacuuming all this stone up, and then on Monday morning the crane's going to come back and they'll unload the solar PV panels. They'll have an assembly crew that will come up here and start laying out the racks across the roof. And after they get all the racks laid out, they basically put cinder blocks in the pans of the racks to hold the racks down.
Okay.
And then they'll mount the solar PV panels to the racks. Really all it is. It just takes some time to assemble everything.
Sure.
I'm Dr. Shailene Miller, and I am Sustainability Director for the City of Winston-Salem. We are working on our first solar install on the rooftop. We've got 146 panels going in that'll provide electricity. The electricity will offset about 6% of the building's energy. Sustainability is really in everything, so my goal is to help make sure that we are working with all departments and trying to enhance operations. We are doing this because it's a meaningful step towards our goal and our City Council resolution that is to meet 100% clean and renewable energy by 2050. Solar panels are able to provide electricity without using up our finite resources or creating harmful emissions. And it helps meet our sustainability agenda. It's going in right now. It started in November and should be up and running hopefully in January. So overall, this project costs $240,000. However, with the help of our Director of Intergovernmental Relations and Strategic Initiatives, Tiffany Oliva, our Energy Manager, Lindsay Smith, and our partners at Duke, it should come in around $132,000 after a Duke rebate and the Inflation Reduction Act grants. Hopefully, in the near future, City Council may see a proposal for some more solar panels on the Johnson Municipal Building at Lowry Street. We are also looking to make a project list of other buildings that might be solar ready in the future. Our department is also trying to look into helping with the electrification of our fleet, moving from fossil fuels. At this time, we hope that this serves as a catalyst to bring residents, businesses, and other entities to look into their own renewable projects.
Very cool.